been a while. I'm gonna look crazy driving off like this. I'm gonna start it off slow. I'm gonna scope the scenery out.
I guess that's better. Sorry for the vibrations, guys. Alright, I just love when cars see you driving and then they just cut in front of you like it's nothing. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, if you're feeling demotivated, if you want to see results, change up your split. I feel like a lot of people take fitness as black and white when that's not the reality. It's very much a gray area. Why do you think so many creators and influencers and fitness professionals are literally coming up with different movements and exercises out of their ass? Because fitness isn't black and white. Like, these new movements they are creating and showing us can actually be effective. So it's like I said, like, yeah, let's say with your glutes, right? Yeah, there are like the main exercises that are effective for growth. You know, you have your hip thrusts, your new unilateral exercises like Bulgarians and reverse lunges. But there's also other stuff too. Like even kickbacks are effective as well for the upper glutes. But me personally, I'm not a big fan of those, so I don't do them. You know, they say you have to do these. This is effective for your upper glutes. But like, I don't do it. You know, I'm gonna stick with my hip thrust, and I'm gonna stick with my hip abductions or my hyperextensions if I want to. So yeah, it's not black and white. There's no like code or book of guidelines when it comes to your fitness journey if you're wanting to see growth and everything, you know. That's the fun in it. You're always trying new things, switching it up. It's trial and error. You try one routine, you like it or you don't see the results you want, you change it. There's nothing wrong with changing it to fit your needs. For some people, strength training isn't ideal for them, right? So they need something a little more cardiovascular and like more movement. So they prioritize functional conditioning, functional strength training that works both your cardiovascular and your muscles. So there's that. Me, I'm a strength training girly. Like, I don't need to be jumping around and doing fast movements. So it works for me. If I need to work on my cardiovascular health, I make sure I do my cardio. You know? Make sure you do my cardio. The heart is a muscle too. You gotta work your heart. But yeah, I feel like I'm rambling on and on. But I'm glad I'm able to actually chat with you guys. I feel like all the videos on my channel so far are voiceovers, so hopefully you guys like the one-on-one talking too, because I really want to do more of that, especially in better lighting. So yeah. And also another reason why I was feeling disheartened with the gym is because I was feeling like I was working my upper body too much. Not too much, but like as in too heavy. And it's not that muscles aren't great on women. I have girl crushes on women with muscles. Like, not the crazy muscles, you know, the nice muscles. But I don't know, I'm like in a stage in my life, I'm 25, and I'm in a stage in my life where, like, you know, I do want to feel more feminine. It's not like muscles don't make you feminine. It's just my preference. Am I still going to work my upper body? Absolutely. I'm just not going to make it a mission to PR and lift heavier every other week, if that makes sense, you know? I'm even going to start incorporating Pilates at home. I bought my yoga mat, and I'm just gonna do some core Pilates a couple days a week. make sure, you know, I'm getting right and tight and everything. But yeah, I was just feeling like, I want my arms slimmer because I am in the wedding planning process and I just want to feel beautiful in my dress. Like, I don't want to look back at my, yeah, I don't want to look back at like my wedding photos and look at my arms and be like, oh, damn, girl. On one hand, it's like, damn, girl. But then the other hand, it's like, damn, look like a man. You know what I mean? I don't know. I know I'm fine right now. You can't see my arms right now, but like, I like how my arms are, but I can like slim them down a little bit. Cause with muscle comes some fat. All right, that's how it is. Especially if you're just like hitting heavy weight, you know? So that's really where I'm at with everything. I'm going to head inside now, cook breakfast, walk my dog, and all that such, and I will talk to you guys later. I think I'm going to make this vlog across multiple days. So you guys will come with me grocery shopping in this vlog, and I think I'll also incorporate what I eat in a day in this vlog. So yeah, this vlog will be a little long, but I want to just make longer vlogs and more detailed vlogs for you guys. So all right, see you guys later.
Split mind, no need an assignment. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide, no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay it beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. Don't just say you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And they'll start hating only if you make me. Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of my friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
from that slick hands flow. Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a plan, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boys, living dreams and they heels, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time with a year, we are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me now, but you wanna love me down. You can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Check on the button like a button, keep on laughing, still getting ready to get a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's our peace. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic when Mac 11's bad bitch. And she's Spanish. I fly her that got a puzzle. We get nasty, I'm her dad. If I know a nigga ain't average. Girl, nothing wrong with big asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm peeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunting. If fourth down, we ain't punting. Think of this truck, I love it. Can't come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle. Gorillas and anacondas.
Hey, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, don't hold no ring.
I hate lugging around trucks. I'm only driving my fiance's truck today because he took my car for a cleaning. Sprinkle. I feel like this vlog is all over the place because you guys saw me like 3 days ago and now it's Sunday. So when you last saw me, I did just do quads, I think. And then the next day, my alarm ended up not going off. So I was like, what the hell? I was kind of upset because like I'm trying to get back in the groove of everything. But either way, I did just do like some Pilates workout at home. Because the only time I'm going to the gym is in the morning. And if I miss the morning time, then I'm not going to the gym. Unless it's for just cardio, because that's fine. Friday, I did end up going to the gym. I hit back and chest. It was a pretty good workout. It was quick and short. I did like 15 minutes of a Pilates ab workout. And I even got to do like 30 minutes of cardio. And still got home practically an hour earlier than I normally would. So today I did hamstrings and glutes. Now normally my split was supposed to be shoulders and arms, but I feel like Sundays are best for legs because not only is it kind of empty Sunday mornings, but I also get to record. So I rather get in my leg day and be able to record on Sundays. So tomorrow will be shoulders and arms. Maybe I'll take you guys with me, maybe I won't. But yeah, what else? I think that's it. That's gonna be the vlog, to be honest. I might be closing it out here. Well, maybe not here because I still have to show you guys like other stuff. But yeah, we'll see. This is, like I said, this vlog is gonna be like all over the place, so it's okay. We doing the do. Like, I know when I'm watching my favorite YouTubers, I don't even care if their vlogs all over the place. I just like to watch them. So hopefully I do that for you guys. Also, with my car, who knows? This might be the vehicle you see me vlogging in from now on. Yes. Until I get a new vehicle. So yeah, I need to find a better and stable car tripod because it's really annoying how this keeps on slipping. I'm really not trying to scratch this woman's car. Listen, I'm not enjoying this at all. Not so shabby. Not so shabby. All right, I will see you guys inside maybe.